Artificial intelligence sounds like a very big and complicated idea, but we can break it down into something simple. Imagine you are teaching a computer how to think like a person. You are teaching it how to learn from things it sees and hears. You are also teaching it how to make decisions based on what it learns. This is what we call artificial intelligence, or AI for short. It is like giving a machine a brain. This brain is not made of cells like ours, but of computer code and data. The goal is to make computers smart enough to solve problems on their own. Think about how a baby learns. A baby watches faces and listens to voices. Over time, the baby learns to recognize its parents and understand words. AI learns in a very similar way, but it uses information called data instead of seeing and hearing like we do. Scientists give the computer lots of examples. For instance, they might show it thousands of pictures of cats. By looking at all these pictures, the AI learns what a cat looks like. It learns to find the patterns like pointy ears, whiskers, and a tail all by itself, which is a very powerful skill. The main idea behind AI is to create machines that can perform tasks that usually need human intelligence. This includes things like understanding language, recognizing objects, and even playing games. We are not trying to make computers exactly like humans with feelings and dreams. Instead, we are building tools that can help us think faster and see things in new ways. These tools are getting smarter all the time because they keep learning from new information. It is like having a super smart helper that is always ready to work on a puzzle with you. So, artificial intelligence is really about making smart machines. It's about teaching them to learn from experience and use that knowledge to do amazing things. They don't think with a heart or have feelings, but they can process huge amounts of information very quickly. This helps them find answers that might take a person a very long time to figure out. AI is a tool built by people to help people. It is an exciting field of science that is changing our world in many positive ways every single day. You might be surprised to learn that you probably use artificial intelligence every single day without even realizing it. AI is not just something we see in science fiction movies with talking robots. It is already here, working quietly in the background to make our lives a little bit easier and more fun. When you watch videos online, an AI is often working behind the scenes. It looks at the videos you have watched before and suggests new ones that you might enjoy. This helps you discover new creators or topics you are interested in without having to search for them yourself. Another very common example of AI is in the apps on your phone. Think about a navigation app that gives you directions. It uses AI to look at all the traffic on the roads right now. It can predict where traffic jams might happen and find a faster route for you to take. This saves you time and helps you avoid being late. The same goes for your email. AI helps sort your messages by putting important ones in your inbox and moving junk mail to a spam folder. This keeps your inbox clean and organized, letting you focus on the emails that matter most. When you talk to a smart speaker in your home, like asking it to play a song or tell you the weather, you are using AI. These devices have something called a virtual assistant inside. The AI has been trained to understand your voice and the words you are saying. It then connects to the internet to find the information you asked for and speaks the answer back to you. This technology is getting better all the time, learning new words and understanding different accents so it can help more and more people around the world. It's like having a helpful assistant ready to answer your questions. Even online shopping uses AI to make your experience better. When you look at an item on a shopping website, the site often shows you other things you might like. It says things like, "Customers who bought this also bought." This is AI at work. It has learned from the shopping habits of millions of people to guess what you might be interested in buying next. This can help you find products you did not even know you were looking for, making your shopping trip more successful and a lot more personalized. Artificial intelligence does more than just recommend videos or find fast routes. It actively helps people in many important areas of life. In medicine, for example, AI is becoming a very powerful tool for doctors. It can look at medical images like X-rays or scans and help doctors spot problems much earlier than before. An AI can be trained to see tiny details that the human eye might miss. This can lead to earlier diagnoses for serious illnesses, giving patients a much better chance to get the treatment they need to get well. It acts like a doctor's superpowered assistant. AI is also making our world a safer place to live. It helps weather scientists predict big storms like hurricanes with more accuracy. By analyzing huge amounts of data from satellites and weather stations, AI can forecast a storm's path and strength. This gives people more time to prepare and get to safety before the storm arrives. In our cities, AI can help manage traffic lights to keep cars moving smoothly, which reduces traffic jams, and can even lower the number of accidents on our busy roads. This makes our daily travel safer for everyone. In the world of farming, AI is helping farmers grow more food for all of us to eat. Smart machines can analyze the health of soil and crops. Drones equipped with AI cameras can fly over fields and spot areas where plants are sick or need more water. This allows farmers to use water and fertilizer only where they are needed most. This not only saves precious resources, but also helps produce healthier crops and more food. This is very important as the number of people in the world continues to grow and we need to find smarter ways to feed everyone. Furthermore, AI is opening up new possibilities for people with disabilities. For people who cannot see, AI-powered apps can describe what is in front of them using the phone's camera. For those who have trouble speaking, AI can help them communicate by turning their thoughts or small movements into speech. This technology helps people gain more independence and participate more fully in the world around them. AI is creating tools that break down barriers and help everyone connect with each other in new and meaningful ways. The future of artificial intelligence is incredibly exciting, with the potential to solve some of the world's biggest problems. Imagine AI helping scientists discover new medicines to cure diseases that we cannot treat today. Or think about AI helping us find new ways to create clean energy, fighting climate change and protecting our planet for future generations. It could also make education more personal for every student, creating learning plans that match each person's unique pace and style. The good things AI can do are almost limitless, and we're only just beginning to see what is possible. However, as we build these powerful new tools, we also have to be very careful. It is important to think about the problems that could arise. For example, we need to make sure that AI is fair to everyone. If an AI is trained with biased information, it might make unfair decisions. We also need to think about jobs. As AI gets better at doing certain tasks, some jobs that people do today might change or be done by machines instead. We must plan for this by helping people learn new skills for the jobs of the future. Another important thing to consider is privacy. Many AI systems use a lot of personal data to learn and make decisions. We need to have strong rules in place to protect our information and make sure it is not used in ways we do not agree with. It is our responsibility to ensure that companies using AI are open and honest about how they use our data. Being careful means we have to ask questions and make sure these powerful systems are used for good, respecting everyone's rights and privacy along the way. In the end, learning about artificial intelligence is very important for everyone. It is a technology that is already changing our world and will continue to do so in big ways. By understanding what AI is, how it works, and its potential for both good and bad, we can all be part of the conversation about its future. We can help guide it in a direction that helps all of humanity. Being informed allows us to make smart choices and ensure that we build a future where AI serves us all in a safe, fair, and helpful way.